Hey, it's James Glass here working on the old tiny home, and I'm going to show you the cabinet hardware jig from Kreg. This is the entire thing. It comes in a package, and the minor assembly is required. You have to put the wing nuts on and put these little guides in, and the instructions are, and you have to put these little stickers on. But basically, this is it, right? You assemble it, follow the instructions, and what it allows you to do is make incredibly consistent holes for your cabinet hardware. So here's one that I've already got done, and I've got these two holes, and because I'm using this jig to make them, all of my cabinet doors will have the hardware in exactly the same location. And I can do this without a really extensive setup, a drill press, you know, making up templates. And I can also do this on existing installed cabinet doors. Like you can just, you know, mount this on the wall, in the wall cabinet or the base cabinet, and go to town. So here's how it works. Super crazy simple. So I'm here alone, so you're gonna have to deal with the shoddy camera stuff. So I decided I wanted the center of my hardware to be 4 3/4 inch from the bottom of the door, and I decided I wanted it to be 1 3/8 from the edge. So I'm using some stainless steel 96 millimeter pulls. So you can set the depth from the door back here, and it's already got a scale on it. I've got set it at 1 3/8, and it's got this little right angle guide that goes up against the edge of your door. And to get the center, it's got a, hopefully this will show up here, but there's a 0 mark right here, which indicates center. So it's just literally a matter of placing this edge right up to the door, like that. It's 1 3/8, lining it up to 0. That's it. And the jig is in place. The jig is up. Okay? I'm going to set this down, the camera down, for just a second. Bear with me. I don't have anyone here to film while I clamp this. Okay, so what I've done is I've got my jig set up. They're all 1 3/8. I've got, you know, I don't know, 6, 8, 10 cabinet doors or whatever. This is the last one I'm doing. Got it set up. Perfect. Incredibly easy. Here's a pro tip. When you drill through to the other side so you don't get blowout, set up a scrap piece. See where those holes are at? There's some I just drilled. Set up a scrap piece underneath your work so that when you drill into the yeah, you're gonna have to deal with the shitty camera shit. That's just the way it is. I'm not editing this. It's going to be brief. So I'm drilling into this 2x4. I'm drilling into this 2x4 underneath. So that way, when I drill all the way through, I don't get blowout. I don't blow out the back of my door. Takes a 3/16 inch bit, and here you go. That's it. That is literally it. And I have, because of this $30, by the way, I'm not sponsored by Kreg, I just like the product, but because of this $30-ish jig, I have holes in all my cabinet doors in exactly the same location. It's exactly in line with the edge of the door. The hardware is perfect straight out of the gate. And that's that. Thanks for watching.